Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out this thing here I got. I got this for my gardening stuff because I'm always trying to pick seeds and do things. So I got a little set that has like some big old tweezers and things like that in there. It might be even too big, I don't know. Let's see what we got in here and see how this works. I've got some doggies coming in here, so we might hear some barking, but we'll do what we can. So let's see, here we go. I'll take everything out of here first, and then we can check out what it's in there. So, okay, everything's out of this little bag that it came with. So first off, we have a pH tester, and I do have a pH monitor, a little electronic one, but I don't even know if it's right or not. So I wanted to get one of these so I can actually do some more accurate testing. So this here comes with like, I don't know, 50 or 100 papers in there. Let's see. Let's see, universal indicator paper. Okay, so this is what the colors will match up to, and then these are all the tabs. There's probably 100 of them in there, I'd say. So there we go, and we would match up the color, and that'll give us the pH level. So very cool. So there's that. So I'm gonna have to go to the office tomorrow and start working on my plants and making sure my pH is correct. Some of them aren't growing so good, so it might not be very good, my pH. Okay, so let's see what else we got in here in this kit. It comes with a pair of big old scissors, so I can use this for cutting some of my plants down from a little distance there on the tower. I can use that. It seems like it gets a different cut. It's got a serrated like edge on there. I don't know if you can see there. So when I do it, it's not a super smooth, but it's like bumping as it goes. But I'm sure it'll cut plants pretty good. Put that in there. It's got the big old tweezers. This is like one of the things I was looking for here. So it's got these. So I can grab my my rockwool cubes out of the segments and stick them into the tower without them flipping all over and stuff, because I couldn't get my fingers in there because it was too small. I've got another set of kind of tweezers that are straight ones. Those were the bent ones. These are straight ones, so I can use these as well. I'll probably use the bent ones. And then I have this one here that's like a little rake, so I can use this to, clean up stuff and dig around a little bit and use this end as well. So very cool. So I would say this is a super cool little set. This is the universal indicator here. Oh, hello. And this is the tag for it. So that's what we're getting. So very cool. So thumbs up for me. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.